300 to 850. In between 300 and 850 is 550 points. That is 550 points that you have control over. Two of the main factors that create your credit score is payment history and credit utilization. Payment history is about 30% of your score, and credit utilization is also about 30% of your score. Payment history. For your payment history, you want to make sure that you have no late payments in the past 24 months. This is going to have the heaviest impact on your score. If faced with a situation where you can't pay all of your bills at one time, try and put off payments that won't affect your score. Many medical facilities will work with you to pay off your debt over time with no interest or no penalty. You can make minimum payments on credit cards and ask for assistance from your bank or landlords. But whatever you do, don't miss those payments. Now, if you really want to improve your score, don't pay that credit card bill on the date it's due. Instead, I want you to make 2 payments each month. Pay at least half of the credit balance 15 days before your due date, and then pay the balance off about 5 days before the actual due date. Now, if you cannot afford to pay off your balance each month, then I still want you to make 2 separate payments for whatever amount that you can afford. If you do this on a consistent basis, you will see an increase in your credit score, and it could be up to 150 points just by making changes on how you make your payments. Credit utilization. You need to make sure you keep all of your credit card balances below 20% of your available credit. So if you have a credit card and your line of credit is $1,000, then you should never have a balance above $200. The best way to do this is to live within your means. Create a budget based on your income and stick to it. And make sure that you leave yourself a contingencies for those unexpected expenses. If you pay off your credit card, do not close that account. Another category that creates your score is the length of established credit. If you close a credit card, it lowers your credit score because you no longer have that credit available. Remember, old credit is good credit as long as it's managed properly. Now we're going to talk about collections on your report. Did you know that Congress passed the FCRA law that protects your privacy and your rights? What does this mean to you? It means that without your consent, it is illegal for a collection agency to buy up your debt and come after you. You can have these items removed. Medical bills, utility bills, hard inquiries, and old bills can all be removed. Now, you may need to hire a credit repair company to help you get these items removed. If you are looking for a good one, please let me know. I can help guide you in that direction. If you're thinking about buying a home, choosing a lender is one of the very first steps. I have several lenders that I work with on a regular basis, and I would love to pass this information on to you. Please shoot me a text or a message and I'll be happy to discuss it with you. Lastly, I want to talk to you about becoming an authorized user on a credit card. Maybe you have an adult child who is working on establishing credit, or maybe your credit history is a little thin and you've had some setbacks to overcome. Being added to a credit card as an authorized user can give you a quick boost on your credit score or even help establish credit. An authorized user is someone who is added to a primary cardholder's credit card account. If you are going to do this, this needs to be on a credit card account that has perfect credit history. Otherwise, it will negatively affect your score. This needs to be a credit card where the balance stays within 20% of its credit limit and has never had a late payment. When it comes to getting approval for credit cards and loans in the future, becoming an authorized user isn't always a guarantee of success. Lenders checking your credit history want to see that you have managed your own credit accounts responsibly. Ultimately, being a primary account holder on a credit account will have a bigger impact on your credit score than being an authorized user. Having a great credit score is a very important step in home ownership. Not having one will cost you thousands of dollars over the life of your mortgage. If you're thinking about buying a home, I would love to have the opportunity to meet with you and share with you my Home Buyers Program. I will be going over all the steps of buying a home from beginning to end until your closing date. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to next time. Don't forget to hit that bell and subscribe to my channel. Again, I'm Nancy Walsh with Jeff Cook Real Estate, and I can't wait to help you become a homeowner.